social media. Everybody talks to each other. I tweet you.
Another thing that I don't understand is that when I was in school and they were all talking about bullying, and then you would think that having it pounded into the school system, how is it worse now than it ever was?
Right.
Like it shouldn't be. So there's something wrong with the training, evidently.
Well, I just think like the moms and dads, our parents, or your grandparents, like especially like my father used to always tell me, Adam, if you ever had a bully, you know how to deal with them. I'm not telling you to go to school and fight, but I'm telling you not to turn your back or let that person dominate you. You better stand up for who you are.
Mm-hmm.
But like now, kids are just like, oh my God, they tweeted about me. They told me I'm terrible. Like I don't get that. It's not even the big kids bullying little kids.
It's the most insecure
It's
kids.
going on social media and somebody says something about you, and now that child is done.
Yeah.
Like they tweeted about you? What? I don't get. Why are you upset? Like I don't get that.
Right, like I'm probably the most picked on person on social media, and I just laugh. I'm like, you're clueless, like whatever.
Well, I mean, you
So,
have that much time
but
in
they
your
must
day.
be saying something about you. It's because they're threatened by you, and you should probably be proud of that. Like, somebody's paying attention.
Yeah.
You know,
Absolutely.
like I wouldn't be worried about it.
If you're taking time out of your day to worry about me, I'm doing something right.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Like, who has time for this? You know?
You're terrible. Hey, thank you. Good to see you too.
And another thing is, I think is funny, is that the person saying the bad stuff is, you just told the whole world you're a dick. Like, why would you do that? I don't understand.
Not only that, but they say things and then they're gonna get attacked by everybody else.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, why are you doing that to yourself?
Let them make a fool of themselves. Matter. Are they stopping you from? Unless somebody physically puts their hands on you, it's just words.
Yep.
Because let me tell you something. The same kids that used to pick on you were little, as soon as you became somebody, look how quick they become your friends.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me, ask anybody who ever played a sport in high school. Biggest bully in middle school, right? They were the biggest bully. Then you got to high school and you became a star or you became popular. Look how quick they're, hey man, what's going on? Good
Yeah.
to see you.
Just everybody needs to be nice to everybody. There's no reason to be mean to people at all.
You wasted your
For no
time.
reason.
None.
But that is true though. It always seems like nowadays it's like for some reason it's worse. Like I don't
It's
understand.
way worse. I don't understand. It's like all kids need to know that they're loved.
Right.
Stop sitting around feeling insecure because there's no reason to feel insecure.
Also, that goes back to what we said about going outside.
Yeah.
Having some pride in yourself.
Go participate in life.
Right. Well, I can't do what they can do on the game. All right, well, go work at it. You'll be able to.
That's right.
How do you get good? You practice. Nobody's gonna be the next Michael Jordan, but you can get close. You can work towards it.
That's right. Yeah, did you?
Yeah.
Were you watching when I did it? Can you feel the relief?
Yeah.
There's still more in there. I'm gonna wait to get it out until it soaks again because it'll come out easier. What's so funny is that I look back on my life and I was the one that was picked on constantly. And when people see that my success now, they're like, oh, I bet was spoiled and she had everything handed. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like I was picked on then and I'm still picked on now. I was picked on for being poor and now I'm picked on for being successful. I'm like, shut the hell up, you people. Like, you cannot make everybody happy. There's people who are gonna sit around and judge you and you cannot let it bother you. All right, straighten all the way out. When you lived in Florida, did you also work for the airlines?
I really don't know how, to this day, I don't know how my wife ever lived in Florida. I really don't.
Because it was so hot.
Well,
It is really hot. It is really hot.
I just,
Every day, and it's like, you get tired of that. I like this change of seasons. too.
Yeah.
I like Florida, and sometimes, like, here, you're like, oh, I want to go over there and go to the beach. But when you're there, it's like, you barely go. Like, I barely went
Right.
over there.
even
My
when-
sister lives over there, but she goes all the time. I don't know how she does it. Like, she was just there, like, what, a couple days ago? It was 90 something. Like, I don't know how you do it.
on a daily
It's
basis.
just too
Yeah.
hot. Like, that gives me headaches.
It's nice to go see my sister-in-law, don't get me wrong, but my biggest thing is not even just the heat. My biggest thing is the people
Oh, yeah.
are all in your face. Everybody's
Well, that's
so
because you're in
close to each
Orlando.
other.
That's
The
like,
population.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Like, it's just everybody.
So much traffic.
We go to the mall.
traffic.
You go to the mall and there's like, person that's like right here in your face. It's like,
because of tourism and all that stuff. You know, that's why all the parks and why it goes there with the
Yeah.
parks and from all over the
we
place.
took our daughter to the, where did we go? Aquatica.
SeaWorld.
Or SeaWorld, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Went to SeaWorld, and we took her to the Sesame Street part of the place. And I took her on the roller coaster, and I mean, literally, the person was standing so close to the back of my head, I could feel him breathing on my neck. And I'm like looking at Camila, and
Yeah, it's
I'm
true.
like,
It's because some people with different cultures, some of them don't, you
in the
know, have
water.
like really
we love food too much. Can't do
Right.
that. Can't do that.
I mean, that would suck.
To be honest, it all depends on how your body takes to it, just like anything else. Just like people who take medication.
How's everything feeling?
Good. Finally. Waiting so long.
It's like, when did we? April 27th, we made the appointment. Woo, we've been waiting over a month.
Oh wow.
I'm about to say, you were talking about people hating on your videos, but you must be hella popular. That
Yeah,
make
oh
that
yeah,
long.
yeah. I was like, go ahead, sling mud, it's okay. I got a whole army of faithful followers who will defend me. I don't even bother defending myself anymore.
Hey, you gonna respond? Nah, I'll let them do it for me.
Mm-hmm.
Minister, go around with the collection basket.
Oh,
gets
wow.
The collection, takes it to the back, goes to church, full suit and tie, hot as it can be outside. Full suit and ties, wears his pendant proud. Oscar, parishioner.
That's sweet.
He's still there, but I don't know. They're not made like my grandfather anymore. That man, when he goes to retire from Walmart, it'll be the 4th job he retires from. Not quit. Not quits.
Wow.
Retires.
Wow.
They gave him a 20-year plaque, and then they gave him a certificate for when he went to the other store and helped them build it, helped them open a brand new store. They gave him a big old certificate.
That's amazing.
Goodness gracious. Nah, if we can get to 82 and still be like Grandpa, hey, God bless you.
Yep, then we've had a good life.
Man, still walks on his own.
I
Still.
don't think I'm gonna make it up with them. I'm already breaking down.
I think I need about a year off so I can
Recuperate.
get healthy again. Yeah, like get back in shape, and then like, okay, I'm ready. Get back to work.
people who have gotten it,
We
but
probably did have it, we just didn't know.
probably just didn't affect us.
No, two of my employees had it about 3 weeks ago, and I said, remember when you guys were sick last year and you were like, oh, I think it's COVID, but I tested negative. I said, so now after you've truly had it and knew you had it, do you think that it was that back then? And they said, oh no, you'll know the difference. And I said, oh, okay.
Yeah, so maybe we haven't had it. Because a lot of people lose their
Sense of taste,
smell.
smell.
Yep.
Some people don't get it back either.
Yep.
Well, I know take medication for allergic to penicillin.
Yeah, it depends what time on the person. Because some people get it bad, some people don't get it that bad.
I know some people you would think would be like, oh, this person's gonna go through it, and they never have a problem. Like, oh yeah, I tested positive, but shoot, I'm just sitting here having a ball.
I know, and some people are like in ICU, like, it's crazy.
Yeah.